Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for that perfect stackable ring with amazingly brilliant and clear stones, you are going to be beyond impressed with this moissanite stone ring that I got from GAUDALGEM. The stones are gorgeous, and the design on this is just breathtaking. I get so many compliments on it, and it looks really good stacked with solitaire rings. But it also looks stunning on its own too. So this has 3 rows of POV set moissanite stones, and that is 0.65 carats. I really love the weight of this. You can tell it's a quality ring. It's 18 karat white gold plated sterling silver, and this looks like $1 million. These are round cut D color VVS1, which is all rated as excellent. Moissanite stones actually have a higher refractive index than diamonds, which means they are going to sparkle and be more colorful and brilliant than any diamond. I wear a 4 1/4 on my ring finger, so I sized up to a 4.5. This actually fit better than I thought it would. It doesn't flop around, and I didn't need to have a ring sizer with it. You will not be disappointed with this ring. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.